Welcome everybody. Today we are going to be making crock pot beef chili with our crock pot, and here's how we're going to do it. Alright, so we have our cast iron skillet. It's heating up. We're going to add our meat. I'm going to slowly break this up a little bit to help the process. We're using 93% ground beef. Lean, 93% lean. And we're going to cook this down till it's no longer pink. Steady chop this as you go. Stir. Flip. Remember, you want ground beef here, little pieces. We have all the pink gone. As you can see, there's grease, even at 93%. And what we're going to do, we're going to strain and we'll rinse this off and get this into our crock pot. Alright, we're going to add our beef. We're just going to add our beef right to the bottom from the skillet. This has been rinsed. All that grease out of there. Not making a mess. Alright, now we're going to add our onions, our diced onions. Add that to the pot. We have some kidney beans. These have been rinsed. You want to get all that slime out of there. We have some diced tomatoes. We're going to put that in there. Let's layer it up. And we're going to add some tomato sauce for the top. Now we're going to add our spices. So we're going to add some minced garlic. We're going to add our chili pepper, chili powder. That's what's going to give it the kick. We have a little bit of black pepper. We have some cumin. This will give it a nice smoky flavor. And last but not least, we have some salt. Lid on it. We're going to turn this on low for 8 hours. All right, we are 4 hours into this, and we're going to give this a stir to get these spices down inside to help mellow it. Let that sit for another 4 hours. Set to go. Alright, it's been 8 hours and we're going to dig into this. This should have thickened up nicely. Oh yeah, look at that. We're going to try this out. We're going to garnish this with a little cheese. All right, let's give this a try. Delicious. If you want to speed up the process a little bit, you can put it on high for 6 hours and you'll get pretty much the same result. Until next time, it's a Classical Gourmet. Happy cooking.